Hello and welcome to the Tech Crazy channel. In this video, we shall discuss the very important term of the metrology, that is error. So it is very important to understand the error of the measuring instruments. So we shall discuss in this video. First of all, what is meaning of the error? What is definition of the error? Error means it is error of a measuring instrument is difference between true value or input value and measured or indicated value. It is the difference between true or input value and measured or true value. So इसके बीच में जो difference होता है, so that is called the error. Means it is, suppose if the input value is 10 mm, अगर आपको let us take the example. So if you are measuring the object which is 10 mm, already you know the dimension, and if you are going to measure that dimension again by using some other measuring instrument like micrometer, if it shows the same reading like 10 mm, then there is no error. If it is showing 9.9 mm, then there is a 0.1 mm error. That is, actual value is 10 mm. So how much it is indicating? It is 9.9. That is the difference between true value and measured or indicated value is called the error. So its formula is given by, error is given by difference between, that is true value and measured value. True value minus measured value. So errors are mainly classified into two types. So it is classified in two different ways, that is controllable or systematic or fixed errors, and second one is the random or accidental errors. That is controllable or systematic or fixed errors, as the name itself indicates, controllable means, or you can say these are systematic means, so these errors are occurs in systematic manner and these can be controlled if you have, by using certain techniques. So you can control these type of errors, and these occurs in systematic manner means in a particular way, and in fixed way, that is fixed errors. So because of this in systematic way, so these type of errors can be identified and these problems occurring these type of errors can be identified in the measuring instruments. किसके वजह से एक ऐसा एरर्स आ रहा है, आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. सो बाय आइडेंटिफाइंग द रूट कॉज ऑफ द एरर्स, सो यू कैन make the corrections. So second one is random or accidental. As the name itself indicates, they occurs randomly. So that's why, or accidentally. So these errors occurs accidentally means when they will occur you don't know. So that's why, so also this type of errors you cannot predict and you cannot locate why these errors are occurring. ऐसा एरर्स क्यों आ रहा है वो आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल समझ में नहीं आए तो आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते. रूट कॉज किस लिए आ रहा है आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस टाइप ऑफ एरर्स आर क्लास कॉल्ड रैंडम और एक्सीडेंटल एरर्स. So what are the examples of for the controllable errors? Calibration errors are example. So example for the controllable errors are calibration errors. Calibration errors means, so if you made the mistakes in during calibrations, so that type of errors you can identify because they will occur in the systematic manner. You can identify. So next one is certain type of consistently recurring human errors. अगर एक आदमी ने गलती कर रहा है मीन्स वो रिपीटेडली गलती कर रहा है. some persons while operating, if he making same mistake repeatedly, because not knowingly. So such type of errors you can control it by identifying them. Afterwards, uncorrected loading errors. So while loading, if you make mistakes, so again and again, so we can make the we can control that. We can what you can say, we can remove such type of errors. Afterwards, limits of system resolution, etc. Means it is a system resolution. So because that is particular systems have their own resolution capacity. So such errors also we can remove, means we can control it, we can adjust them, or we can avoid them. Second one is random errors. Random errors, these are also called the accidental errors. So these we cannot remove and we cannot avoid them sometimes, because we cannot, we it is very difficult for particular errors. It is very difficult to find the root cause of the errors for the errors. So that's why, so we cannot remove them. It's very difficult. First one is errors stemming from environmental variations. So because of environmental changes, so dimensions of the measuring instruments also going to changes. So because of that, so it will leads to the errors, because change in temperature, change in humidity, change in pressure. So because of this, so whatever the parts of the measuring instruments, so its dimensions also going to changes, its characteristics also going to changes. So because of that, it leads to the errors, so which is very difficult to identify and what you can say, remove it. Next is certain types of human errors. So see, if you the human errors are occurring in a particular manner, then that type of errors we can control it. But in certain cases, so some persons are making the random errors, means every time it is different. So that is because of the not proper behavior of the employees, operators. So such type of errors we cannot remove them. So this is also example for the random errors. Next is errors of techniques. So if you use the different techniques, so that may be having certain type of errors, so which is very difficult to identify and remove. Next is due to variations. So change in the variations, like change in temperatures, pressures, so and other parameters. So if they changes, so it is also results in the certain types of random errors. Afterwards, small change in position of setting standards. मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड सेट करने के टाइम पे मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में एक स्टैंडर्ड सेटिंग कर सकते, बहुत सारे इसमें स्टैंडर्ड सेटिंग होता है, अगर उसमें अगर कुछ एरर है तो दैट आल्सो लीड्स टू द random type of errors, so which is very difficult to identify and remove them. So this is about the two different types of errors. So thank you for watching this video. So I request you to like, subscribe and share this channel with the others also. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video.